What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Your host, Mr. LLC, back with another one. Today we got the Huben GK1 out again, and I want to do some sound testing. I want to see what the difference is with and without the moderator or suppressor on this air gun using this sound level meter. So I'm going to take 2 shots, no moderator, and then after that we'll put it on, take 2 shots, and we'll see what the difference is. All right, so let's get it up, set up outside, and we'll be back here in a flash. Okay, so we're set up. We've got our meter going, and I've got it set to max, so it'll pick up the maximum. It'll stop at the maximum level and read that. Okay, I've got the GK1, got H&N Barracudas in here, full gauge, and we're going to just shoot into the ground here just to get the sound test, and hopefully I can get this done really quick without causing any ruckus. All right, so we're at 81. Here's our first shot. Firing. 125.9. Let's write that down. Let's get our second shot. Looks like an error. Third shot. Let's reset this. Okay. Let's get max. Is it too loud for it to read? Let's try it again. Okay, so I don't know what's happening, but the 125.9, we read that, and it won't read anymore. It's my first time using this thing, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong, if I'm doing anything wrong. Let's try it one more time. We'll set it on max. $121.9. Now let's get this last one. Didn't read that one again. One more time. $122.7. All right, so I did not take a shot count there, but I'm sure you guys did. And our pressure gauge, if you're curious, has gone from that first red needle to the 30. So that's from the 5,000 PSI. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the suppressor on and we'll see what difference that makes. Okay. We've got the suppressor fitted. Let's go ahead and get the radar out. Now we should see a considerable difference. All right. First shot. Oh, forgot to set the max. Here we go, max. $118.8. $119.6. $119.0. All right. So we're going to go take this and do an average calculation, meet you back at the bench. Hang on. All right, guys. So we're back. And apologies for my first shots with this. It's my first time using this thing. And I think either one, it was too loud for this to keep up with, or two, I was just too close with too close to the barrel, why it wouldn't pick up those 0 dB shots. Anyway, waffling aside, results. So without the suppressor or moderator, whatever you guys choose to call it, these are our numbers here, okay? First shot 125.9, then 121.9, then 122.7. As you know how I do around here, I round up. Anything above 0.5 and above gets the treatment. So you're looking at 126, 122, and 123. You add those and you get 371 dB, okay? To get the average, you divide that by 3. We get 123.6. It gets a treatment, so you get 124 dB without the suppressor attached, okay? Without this guy. With 118.8, 119.6, 119. So we're looking at 119, 120, 119. You add that, you get 358. The average, 119.3, 119. So the average with and without the suppressor. So you're looking at about a 13 average dB difference between the suppressor and without the suppressor. Okay, and here are your numbers. 124 versus 119. Now those numbers, just looking at it on paper, does not look like it equates to much. But I tell you, just from you hearing that, you can tell the difference. It is like night and day. Okay, just those 13, that 13-point difference there, and here you have 119, a 5-point difference here. So just 5 points makes a world of difference in sound. All right, that's your host, Mr. LC. Telling you something is better than nothing. Keep you and yours safe at all times. Want to wish you God bless and peace. That's your class for the day. Catch you next time.